Hi, this is Joe from the Pocono Mountain Public Library. I do the guitar workshops here. Today I'm bringing you a bass lesson on Otis Redding's hit Sitting on the Dock of the Bay. Um, let's get to it. As always, there'll be an email address in the description box, and if you want the bass tab, just give us an email, put bass tab in the subject heading, and let us know what song you want in the body. So let's get to it.
So here's the verse. That goes 3rd fret on E, 5th fret on the A, 3rd on the E again, then you hit an open A, sorry to show you honestly on the little camera here. Open A, 1, 2, 4th fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the A string, then move that down 1 fret, then we have the, I guess this is the chorus. So that starts on the 3rd fret of the G string, or E string, 3rd fret of the E string, hit it again, then you go to the 7th fret of the E string, and 5 and 7 on the A string. Do that twice, and then you do so that's 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7. All right, that's the chorus. Then you go back to the verse, then you do the chorus again, and then you got the bridge. Okay, here's the bridge. Okay, so ideally you want to start with your pinky on the 5th fret of the D string, then go up 1 string to the D string or the A string, 5, 5, 3, and then you do 3 on the A string, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the D string, like a little walk up. 2, 3, 4, dun, dun. do that walk up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5 on the D string, 3 on the D string, 5 on the A string. Dun, dun. And from there you do the verse again, and then you do the chorus again, which we already went over. But the outro is similar to the intro. So, just like the intro. And on the fourth time, you go to the second fret of the D string and do the same. Do the that little hammer-on that you did over here. You do it on the G string, starting on the second fret to the fourth fret. That's pretty much it, except for that flop there. I messed up. Does that a couple times on the track as it's doing its fade away. But that is the song, folks. I hope you got something from that, and keep an eye out for more videos. This video helped you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. This is Joe signing off.